Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. Well, today we're going to be working back on this little girl because she's the only thing I could find, and I've had a horrible 24 hours. So it was there. We're going to stitch on it, right? Oh yeah, yesterday. You remember the part where I said that I wasn't going to go anywhere? Yeah. Well, I finally got mad enough at my phone, so my daughter and I and my grandson, he decided to kick along too. And I went and got a new phone and brought it back. Yeah, that was the easy part. And my son-in-law installed, my old phone number and everything, except for all the pictures and stuff. So, yeah. I wanted to see how this was going to work. So, yeah, it was another 4 hours of terror when I got home. Just because it wouldn't do this and it wouldn't do that. And, this is new and that's new. And, oh my goodness, yeah, we're having a day. And not to mention the fact the thing that clips my phone on up here is just barely wide enough for all this. So we'll see how long that lasts. Yeah. So, yeah. Now I have a new phone to contend with. And so things might be newer, better, different, But we at least have a new phone because I realized I got that in 2019 in March. Yeah. So here we are. We are having fun now. How was the rest of your weekend? Did you have a good weekend? Because I hope somebody had a good weekend. Mine was, yeah. Hurry up, stress, hurry up, stress. Yeah, it kind of went on like that most of the weekend. And then not to mention the fact I didn't get the camera. So I guess if I'd gotten the camera, then I wouldn't have thought about getting a new phone. Yeah, I came that close to getting a new, what do you call it? A new computer? Yeah. It was, needless to say, a blank show. Yeah, pretty much. You can fill in the blank with whatever you want. Yeah. I was pretty stressed out. I went, and after I left my daughter's house, after he downloaded the phone and got it, where it needed to be, yeah. What can I say? I went to the grocery store and got a frozen pizza because I wasn't messing with anything, cooking-wise, and I really didn't feel like the roast beef that I had, so I'll just put it in the freezer, I guess. I don't know, I haven't decided, but I guess I should decide soon, huh? So anyway, I get home, and the guy at Walmart said, oh yeah, it's got a cord, that you plug in to the computer. Well, my computer is not as new as everybody else's, so I had to run over to where I work and buy 2 new cords because evidently there was something wrong with the cord that I had for my old phone. Yeah, I had just bought that, 3 or 4 months ago because I had to have a new one. Yeah, needless to say, I was not happy. So, yeah. I'm glad to be going to work and thinking about something else. You know what I mean? Burn. But it does seem to get closer. So you can see what you're doing. But yeah, things don't work nearly the way that the other ones do. It's just, that learning curve. Here we are. It got here way faster than I thought it would. Yeah, I think I'll wait until tomorrow to deal with the new camera. Because, yeah, I can't, no. So. Oh, and I did get notification that my stuff from, from 123 Stitch has been shipped, so who knows what day that'll show up. I mean, it shouldn't take very long. I think they're only one state over. They're either in Texas, one or two states, I don't know. I can't remember if they're from Grand Prairie, Texas, or if they moved and they're someplace else. I got nothing. I didn't care, just send me my stuff. Yeah. So, here we are. Trying to be calm and, yeah, and that kind of stuff. Yeah. What can I say? It's some days. It's just too much. Sorry, we'll move you over just a little bit. There we go. We'll get it. It's got a different kind of a camera on it. Of course it does. You know, anything to send Laura right over the edge. They're going to give me a paper camera in the nursing home because they really don't want to have to contend with me and a real camera. Oh yeah, here, let me show you this. Let me show you that. It'll be awesome. Awesome sauce. Oh my goodness. So yeah, that was my day yesterday. It started out, you know, pretty easy. But here I hate getting new electronics. Just do. And I'm not bitching and I'm not venting or anything to that degree. I'm just telling you how it is and how I just can't do a lot of, good gravy, a lot of stuff. Now, you know, these two colors, they look a lot alike. I don't know if they show up, you know, differently in the camera or not, or in the thing. Can you even tell there's two colors there? I guess, kind of, sort of. At first I thought, oh no, I pulled the wrong thread, you know. So I went back and I checked everything. Everything was fine. Oh yeah, we're having so much fun this week, yeah. Work ought to be a nice reprieve from being at home. Because at home I get to figure out all the things, you know. And it's not like I couldn't get help if I needed help. You know, they'd be more than happy to help in any way they could. Thank goodness my son-in-law got the phone numbers switched around and got it activated and all that good happy stuff. Yeah. Then the games began. Let me tell you. And I hope to have this phone for the next 5 years. Or whatever it is. I think I've had it 4 years. So, we're having fun now. I think I'm going to have to get a new thread. Yeah. So, yeah, that yesterday, see, I made the video in the morning, mind you. And went to transfer it, and it would not transfer to the computer. So that was what started me off and running. So, after I got everything where it needed to be, I used the new cord and uploaded it. It uploaded just fine. Yeah. Took a couple tries, but we got it. And yeah, I hope to not have to use that. It's catch as you can. So this one, and then I had to get the computer to recognize this one. It's like, okay, come on. I'm running out of patience, shall we say. Oh, it was a moment. It's like, where are those kids when you need them? You know, the 5-year-olds that know how to put the phone in. Because, you know, that's what I needed yesterday was an absolute 5-year-old. I'm telling you. They would have gotten this way more than me. So, yeah. Oh, my goodness. It sucks getting old. And all this tech savvy that you think you got, you ain't got it anymore. 'Cause they changed everything. Yay! So, yeah. So I'll be fine in about a week, after I figure out how everything works and doesn't work and what it does different than that. Oh my gosh. Yep. So, we are having too much fun. And this needle is just being a pain. Makes me feel like I'm stitching too hard. I used to do that just so my mother could fix it because I'd made a mistake and I just kept making it worse, and after a while she just cut it out and told me to start over again. Yeah, because, I mean, not that she was a perfectionist by any means, but, it'd be in such a knot and a snit that, it was just easier to start over on whatever it was I was doing. Because that's how usually the embroidery turned out. I finally got on to embroidery, but God, in the beginning, it was a nightmare. I'd sew the back, the front, I'd be holding it like this, and I'd stitch right through the 2 layers of fabric. I didn't care. Yeah. Then, or I'd stitch it to my pants or my shirt or whatever was in the middle of everything. Oh, yeah, it was great. Yeah. Learning curve again. So, yeah. Well, I think this is going to be a short video today, guys. I just wanted to make sure that all the equipment was working and that kind of thing. But, yeah, it is what it is. Whoop. See, I haven't even found the brightness. It's probably way too bright. There we go. Alright, guys. Well, thank you for joining me and putting up with my little ranting and raving about electronics. I appreciate you all being here. Thank you so much. Thank you for your continued support and cheering me on and everything that goes with everything. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.